Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing with you what I've made for the Stickier side of crafting collaboration that's hosted by Houck's Crafty Cottage here on YouTube. And the point of this one is just to try and use up some of your vast sticker stash that you have. And so this month I focused on some winter stickers, and I ended up using up 3 sticker sheets. 2 of them, I had 2 separate packs of these die cuts with a view. What were they called? It was just a value sticker, but they were just like cardstock photo type stickers. And then I used up a sheet of creative memory stickers, which I've had both of these for a long time. And actually, I just inherited, I had a partial sheet of one of these and then inherited another one from somewhere. But I really like these stickers. I've always liked their kind of photograph style stickers, so I was excited to finally use those. So I focused on cards for my projects, and I just focused on some winter themed cards. So I went through my loose paper stash and pulled out some scraps of like snowflake or just kind of winter theme or winter colored papers, and tried to use those first, and then I did also cut into some full sheets. And then all of my cards are A2, and then most of them do have something on the inside to help use up the paper or the stickers. I also pulled out some snowflake die cuts that I've had in my stash for a really long time, and finally got to use some of those up. So I didn't actually really use any sketches this time. I was really just trying to figure out, kind of base the card around the stickers that I wanted to use. So there were 3 stickers that were fairly close in size on each sheet, and so I just kind of created a grid pattern over to the left side here and backed it on white cardstock, and then just used a full-size card mat. It's like 1/8 of an inch shy of the card base, so it's 4 1/8 by 5 3/8 is what the card mat is, and then added some die cuts up here, and then this is a vinyl snowflake sticker, which is probably hard to see. And then I also used, I didn't use them all, but I did pull out a sheet of like winter word stickers. I don't remember who they were by. It was like another value pack. And so I did add those to a lot of the cards as well where they kind of worked. And I used those in a lot of places as sentiments. So these are winter cards. It's more just like a thinking of you type hello card. So I didn't really need a strong sentiment on the front. It was just more like that winter vibe that I was going for. So I have 2 of those, and I actually think I have another set of those. Oh, it's similar, but it only has 2 stickers because they were bigger stickers, so I only did 2 on that one. And then these had that darker blue, so I pulled out a sheet of darker blue stickers. I also dug into, I had these like puffy glitter snowflake stickers, and so I also used those where I could. And then there were some times where I did use some stamped sentiments. And here's this one, just a kind of a bigger sticker, and actually this is 2 pieces of scrap paper that I pieced together for the card mat, and then covered the seam here with just like another coordinating pattern. And then this is one of those winter word stickers. Again, this one is 2 pieces kind of pieced together, but this time I used like it was a big snowflake die cut that I had, and it's kind of like a silver, shimmery silver, not really glitter, but more of a shimmery silver, which you probably can't see. But I just put it so that the snowflakes, the spokes of the flake, I guess, cover the seam there, and then the snowflake kind of peeks out from behind the image. And then I did pop the image up on some thin foam, and then this is another one of those winter word stickers. This one I went with a black snowflake paper and some green just to kind of play off the evergreen bough with the snow there, and then did pull in some vinyl stickers here that I had cut from scrap. My daughter kind of added those for me onto the left. And then again, just using up the paper on the inside. This one, I was trying to use up the last of this paper, but it didn't cover the whole card. So I added a piece of cardstock here on the left, And then this is a stamped sentiment I already had on my desk. And then again, some more of those little snowflake puppy stickers. This one I pieced 2 different scrap pieces together, covered it with some gray cardstock, and I didn't even put any words on the front of this one just because it was pretty as it was, but then I did add a sentiment on the inside of that one. So that finished off both sheets of these die cuts with a view. So there was one full and then one that was mostly full. And then for the Creative Memory sticker sheet, I pulled out some paper that kind of, it doesn't match exactly, but it kind of had those blues and pinkish purples and the colors that kind of coordinated a little bit better with these stickers. So here I just took 2 of the square ones that were the same size, grouped those together, and then added some more of that shimmery silver paper behind it. And then added some of the shimmery silver snowflakes down here, and then I just added hello down there. This one I just took that one sticker, and then this is a smaller piece of the shimmery silver that I ended up cutting in half so I could spread it out behind my mittens here. A big snowflake, I just layered it onto the white snowflake on the paper, and then added hello sentiment down here at the bottom. This was it's a shimmery blue snowflake that I had in my die cut stash. So I just used it to back the little snowman here, and then added some more of those puffy silver stickers and hello. This one I grouped 2 stickers together to just kind of create a panel, and then this is one of those winter word stickers. And then this snowflake was just kind of weird because I had a big hole in the center and I wasn't sure what I would cover that with. So I just cut it in half and had it peeking out of that panel on both sides. And this one I used one of the stickers from the Creative Memory sheet as well as the border sticker that was on the sheet. I just cut it into 2 pieces and then added one of the winter word stickers and then a white banner up here just to kind of fill in that empty space. And then I used the rest of the banner sticker on the inside on that one. And then here, this was a snowman, and then I was going to cut it just in a square, like the matte piece of it just in a square, but once I added it on and trimmed down the sides, there was just this little gap down here of the white, and I thought, oh, it looks like a little Polaroid. So I went ahead and left it like that, like it's a little Polaroid picture of a snowman. But then when I added the shimmery silver, I did go ahead and just do an even matte all the way around that. And then I have some white shimmer paper behind that, just to ground that at the top. And then added some more of the shimmery silver down here at the bottom with another sticker from the sheet. And then one of the winter word stickers. And then that on the inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 winter themed cards, and it helped me use up 3 sticker sheets from my stash as well as some of that loose paper that is in my drawers. So it was a win-win. And I just wanted to say this is the last post for this collab for 2020. Be sure to check out all of the other participants in the that are in the collaboration. They will be listed in the description box below. And they always have other great ideas on how to use up those stickers in your stash. And I just want to say a quick thank you to Deb for hosting this collaboration as well. It has been wonderful, a wonderful motivation for me to focus on using up stickers each month, and I am excited to be playing along in this collaboration again next year. So Happy New Year, everyone, and I hope you're all having a crafty day.